My name is Matjia Hec. I'm technical director of company Kamen Pazin. I'm in the company for more than 17 years. Facing the increased demand and new products, different products, more advanced products, we decided to move 8 bridge saws from the hole, and in collaboration with Breton, we did a project with one Evonix 3-spindle and one SpeedX bridge saw. Because we are working in 2 shifts, before we had 16 workers, and now it's enough 6 workers. The conditions for the workers are much improved. There is a robot which helps in unloading. Loading and unloading is separate to the cutting, so when the worker is working on the unloading or preparing the programs, machine is cutting, so there is no stress for the worker to be faster or to do, the machine is waiting for him. And third is we increased capacity. With this project, we increased the utilization of material around 20%. We increased the capacity of the whole production hall for 20%, and we decreased the workers which are necessary to work on this part of process. We decreased for 2/3. So we can conclude that project was very successful.